welcome back to my channel everyone. This is Danrie from Craftofgiving, and in today's video I want to share this super cool craft stick stamp canvases. To make your canvas you will need to find yourself some craft sticks, and on your desk or workspace line up 10 of those craft sticks all in a row, using another one on the bottom to level them out, making sure each one is nice and flush and flat, removing any ones that's a little bit bent or not sitting nice and flat. To secure our canvas craft sticks together, I'm going to use 3 other craft sticks by adding it onto the back as a support. Now, in order for it to sit nice and flat on the back without anything hanging over, I need to trim our little craft sticks on either side, just removing that rounded edge so that once you look at the canvas from the front, you're not going to see any bits poking out on the back side. To secure my craft sticks together, I'm just using a strip of hot glue and adding my support structure on the back, gluing them all together, making sure that I'm keeping it all level and straight so that we don't have any uneven canvases. Go ahead and add the other 2 support structures, one on the top and one in the middle, so that once we stamp our little craft sticks, it has something in the middle to support the pressure when we're stamping. That's why I'm adding another one in the middle. Now for the really fun part, stamping our designs onto our canvases. Quick tip, if you get some ink on your fingers from your ink pad, just use a baby wipe to remove it and it comes off quite easily, and then you won't have any accidental marks put onto your canvas. Once you've selected your stamp and the design you would like to put on your craft stick canvases, go ahead and press it into your ink pad and then firmly and evenly put it onto your canvas, applying a little bit of pressure but not wiggling it too much so you do not smudge your design. Set the canvas aside to allow the ink to dry. To make the base of your canvases, go ahead and line up 3 popsicle sticks next to each other, adding a strip of hot glue onto the joint between the first 2 craft sticks, and then adding a craft stick over the top, and again the same with the 3rd stick, and then adding a 5th craft stick on the top, leaving a little trench almost in the middle so that this is where our little craft stick canvases will be sitting in. I'm going ahead and adding another strip of glue and adding another craft stick over the top just to create like a little wall for our stand. And once your design is dry, flip it over and add 2 craft sticks onto the back, creating like an overhang this time so that our base has something to attach to. Secure it down with another strip of glue, making sure that it's quite even, otherwise your craft stick canvases will sit a little bit lopsided and not look as nice. Feel free to use a ruler to measure it out so it's exact, but in this instance I'm just going ahead and eyeballing it and hoping for the best. It turned out fine. So once you've done that, we can go ahead and clean up our base, remove any little cobwebs of the glue, and then I'm going to just insert my craft stick canvas in there with the little stands, just making sure it's all nice and even and I don't need to make any adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your canvas and the position it's sitting, go ahead and add another little strip of hot glue, making sure you get it in the little trench as well. I'm adding a final piece of craft stick just to the back to give the back part of our canvas a little bit more support so that it doesn't lean back. And there you have it, a really fun and easy way to create craft stick canvases with a base that you can add stamped images onto. You can take it a step further and create a distressed and aged wooden look by using your stamping kit as well as a wet baby wipe. It's as simple as getting a little bit of ink on the baby wipe and rubbing it all over your canvases, and then it just adds this really cool effect. You can go ahead and actually paint your craft sticks first before stamping your image on if you want a colored look, but I really enjoyed the wooden, raw wooden or distressed wooden look. I made this one a little bit different, and I made the popsicle sticks or craft sticks run vertically as opposed to horizontally like my previous one. And And there you have it, a really quick and easy way to create some decorations for your room, or have a quick gift, or simply have a fun craft afternoon with your friends or with your kids or by yourself. It's totally up to you. I have another video available on my channel where I show you how to make craft stick photo frames, which are really fun. I'll leave a link in the iCard above as well as the end of this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of stamp you would use on your craft stick canvases, or would you use a picture or something like I have here with their sentiments for little motivational quotes. I would love to hear from you. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you want to. This is a channel where I upload videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye!